Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare fish oil morning or night. We'll explore how the timing of your fish oil supplement can influence its effectiveness and absorption. Many people wonder if there's an optimal time to take it for maximum benefits. We'll look at the pros and cons of both morning and evening doses, helping you decide what works best for your body and lifestyle. Let's dive into the details. Starting your day with fish oil can be beneficial for several reasons. Taking it alongside a meal, especially breakfast, often helps minimize any potential fishy aftertaste or digestive upset. Some studies suggest that morning intake might support cognitive function throughout your active hours, helping with focus and mental clarity. Plus, incorporating it into your morning routine makes it easier to remember to take consistently. Opting for an evening dose of fish oil also has its unique advantages. Some individuals find that taking it before bed can contribute to better sleep quality, potentially due to its anti-inflammatory properties. The body's repair processes often occur during sleep, and fish oil could support these. Additionally, consuming it with a larger evening meal can sometimes enhance the absorption of its beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. Ultimately, the best time to take fish oil largely depends on your individual body and lifestyle. If you experience digestive issues like reflux, a morning dose with food might be ideal. For those seeking sleep support or enhanced overnight recovery, an evening dose could be more effective. Experiment to see what feels best and yields the results you desire. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Consistency is key for maximizing the benefits of your supplement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.